Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. We talked about some special letters the last time. Can anyone remember what the 5 letters that just appeared on your screen, what their special name is? If you said vowels, you are correct. Now, people all over the world, kids like you and adults, if you say, what's a vowel? If they know how to speak English, they'll say, oh yeah, the vowels are A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. And they say it so fast, they just know it. But most people have no idea why these letters are vowels, and it has to do with the sound they make. Yesterday, we tested this letter, like an apple, and we found out from our 3-part test that this sound is a vowel sound. So today, let's test this sound, like an elephant. All right, you can find a mirror or look at my mouth on the screen. Let's start with say it, like elephant. Is my mouth open the whole time I say the sound, or does it close? You guessed it, it's open the whole time. Now, can I sing this sound? Can I keep holding it out? Can I keep going until I run out of breath? Let's try it. Oh my goodness, I could keep going, but I don't want to, because then something bad might happen. I might run out of breath. So for my sound I can keep holding the sound. Let's try our last test. Does my throat vibrate? Does my voice box vibrate when I say the sound? Ooh, I really feel that. Do you? All right. So for both my and my my mouth is open the whole time. I can sing the sound, and my voice box vibrates. So both and are vowel sounds. Let's look at some words. This shows us how really important vowel sounds are. Number 1 is mad. Say mad. What happens if my vowel wasn't there? What would my new word be? Is that a word? It's not. And look at my mouth. It's closed most of the time. Look at number 2. Say hen. A hen is a chicken. What happens if my vowel disappeared? What would my new word be? I can't even say the word. It is not a real word. So we know that my and my are very important, because without those sounds, these two would not be real words. Let's move on to our next sound activity. I say a big word, you echo. Take off the first part, tell me what's left. Say vanilla. Without v, what's left? Nilla. Say iguana. Without I, what's left? Guana. Say umbrella. Without what's left? Brella. Say contagious. Without what's left? Tagious. Say beginning. Without B, what's left? Ginning. Great job. Say chihuahua. Without chi, what's left? Wawa. Not a real word, but fun to say. Say carnation. Without car, what's left? Nation. Say museum. Without mu, what's left? Zium. All right, let's do our next sound activity, which is called deleting. So I'm going to bring Mario out to help us with our deleting. Are you ready? Ooh, that was too soon, Mario. He pushed the button. Can you believe him? All right, I say a word, you and Mario echo. Then we're going to take off the first sound and you say what's left. It should be a real word. Are you ready? All right, say that. That. Without th, what's left? At. Great job. Say wheeze. Wheeze. Without wh, what's left? Ease. Ease. Ease means like easy. Next one. Say boat. Boat. Without b, what's left? Oat. Great job, oat. Two more. Say shear. Shear. Without sh, what's left? Ear. Yeah, ear. Last one. Say phone. Phone. Without f, what's left? Own. Own. You did such a good job today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoy the pictures of Mario in the pretty flowers. Have a great day.